Insert the eye bolt into the vise. Place the head onto the eye bolt. Insert bearings onto the eye bolt into the head, ensuring that the GS plate is facing the bottom of the bearing socket. Thread on the nylock nut, using a wrench to tighten. Do not over-tighten. Ensure the head spins freely. Insert the cotter pin and bend the ends. Thread body onto the head until tight. Reposition the assembly in the vise, lining up the flats with the vise jaws and tighten with a wrench.